So, number 5. This is what we're looking for. We just have to figure out if we need to flip anything first. So, NO needs to be a reactant. Right now it's a product, so we're going to definitely flip that one. So let me do that first. NO. Yeah. And then half of an N2 plus half O2. And then that's going to get flipped also, so it'll be negative 90.4 kilojoules. Okay, so we get rid of this one now since we flipped it and changed it. And we have NO on the reactant side. Let's check out and see if we have an oxygen on the reactant side. Looks like we do. We have an oxygen on the reactant side. We do have one on the product side too, but that's okay. And then we have an NO2 on the product side. So I believe that's all we had to do is just flip it, right? So now let's check out and see if we need to multiply anything. Let's just see if it cancels out and works the way it is. So let me change the color. We have a half of a nitrogen on the reactant side here. We have a half on the product side, so that'll cancel out. Oxygen-wise, we need a half on the reactant side. We have one, there's a half on the other side, so if we subtract them, we'll get a half here. This will disappear. And then we have an NO on the reactant side. So we have NO, we have a half of an oxygen, we have one NO2, and it wasn't making these lines at all until I started recording. All right, and then we just add these two numbers together, and that should give us our answer. We had negative 56.8. Did you guys get that? Awesome. Negative 56.8 kilojoules. All right. Any questions with that one? No?